Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Just notice here, while writing the name of the subject I have written one code in the bracket 055. It is the code of accountancy which is to be written in the board exam also. It will be used. Okay, right? Code of accountancy is 055. Now, the same chapter which I taught you, which I explained you in the previous online class session of accountancy, that is change in profit sharing ratio among existing partner. The same chapter will be explained to you today also. The topic is calculation of average profit. We need to calculate average profit. Okay. The questions as mentioned in the DK Goyal, their help will be taken in order to explain how to calculate average profit. Today I am explaining you question number 6 of DK Goyal. Just have a look over the question number 6 of DK Goyal. Just see, take the screenshot of the question. The question might be different in your book, I think. Now, reading out the question, beta. Just see the question. Question 6 of DK Goyal. A, B and C are partners. There are three partners A, B and C in the partnership firm. Sharing profits and losses equally. In between them, the profit and loss sharing ratio is equal. Equal means 1:1:1:1. Means the total profit or loss within the firm will be divided in three parts. One part will be given or taken from A and one part from B will be taken or he will pay back or suffer the loss in the same ratio. The same ratio 1/3 belongs to C. So the profit sharing ratio in accordance with the question is 1:1:1. That is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. 3. The denominator you can calculate by adding all the shares of the partners. 1 + 1 + 1. Okay. Now further reading out the question, they agreed to admit D for equal share. One new partner is to be admitted within the firm. A is D with the equal share. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued. We need to value the goodwill. Means we need to calculate here the goodwill. How the goodwill is to be calculated? It is mentioned in the question. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued. See here, goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase. Number of years purchase is 3. Mentioned here. I have mentioned 3 here. Number of years purchase. Right? 3 years purchase of average profit. Average profit. Average profit I have written over here. We need to calculate here the average profit. Okay. And whatever average profit will be there, after multiplying that average profit by 3, we will be getting the firm's goodwill. As per the instruction of the question, it is instructed in the question that the average profit, when it will be multiplied by 3, we will get the goodwill of the firm, right? As per the agreement between the partners. Now, further reading out the question, beta. Average profit of last 5 years is given to you. On 31st March 2013, that is year ended 2013, the profit was of rupees 60,000. Year ended 2014, the profit was of rupees 1,50,000. In the year ended 2015, the profit was of rupees, no, profit was not there was a loss. Keep in mind the loss will be subtracted, its amount will be subtracted. I am just indicated this loss in the bracket. Bracket is indicating that this amount is to be subtracted. While we will be just adding all these, while we will simplifying, doing the addition, this loss will be subtracted. Okay. In the similar way, the profit is for the year ended 31st March 2016 is 20,000. It will also be added. 31st March 2017, its profit as mentioned in the question is 1,85,000, but I have written here 2,20,000. Okay. So first of all, I will tell why I have written here 2,20,000 as a profit of year ended 2017. What is the reason behind? For it, we need to just read out the question. So I am reading out the question. You also read the question. After the profits of 5 years mentioned in the question, some statements are given to you. On 1st October 2016, means in the mid of the year, a computer costing rupees 40,000 was purchased and debited to office expenses account. Wrong treatment has been done. When the computer as an asset is purchased, then which account is to be debited? Computer account should be debited. But in place of computer account to be debited, we debited what? Office expenses. And because of debiting the office expenses, we know that office expenses are shown in the PL account on the debit side as an expense. And because of that treatment, what might have happened? The profit of the firm decreased. Okay, right? That was not an expense, that was not a loss of the company, it was an abnormal loss. It was to be debited to computer account, wrong treatment was done by us. So, for when this error by the name of office expenses shown in PL account is to be rectified, then what we have to do? We have to reverse the treatment. Reverse the treatment means the expenses which was debited earlier, which was subtracted in the PL account, the same amount is to be added to the firm's profit which is given in the question 1,85,000 of the year ended 2017. Added 40,000. On it, this computer which was purchased on 1st October, the appreciation was to be charged. The appreciation is a normal loss of the firm. It is to be shown in the PL account. It is to be shown in the PL account. Okay, right? So we need to subtract depreciation. Right? First of all, we need to calculate the depreciation of for how many months? For 6 months. Okay. 40,000 multiplied by 25% is the rate of depreciation given. Okay. For how many months we need to calculate that? For 6 months. The answer will be 5,000 rupees. Right. This is the loss of the firm, and the loss of the firm is shown in the PL account on the debit side. So, means this amount is to be subtracted from 1,85,000 profit as a profit of the firm. Okay, 1,85,000 plus 40,000 error which was rectified by us, and I explained you just now, minus depreciation 5,000 rupees. Answer we are getting is 2,20,000 as a profit of 2017. Now simplify it. Just add these all the figures, subtract the loss figure of 2015. 60,000 plus 1,50,000 minus 20,000 plus 20,000, 2 lakh plus 2,20,000. Answer will be 6,10,000, the total of 5 years profit. Average profit, as we all know, that average profit of 5 years, for calculating average profit, we need to divide 6,10,000 as the total profit of 5 years by 5 in order to calculate average. This is the way of calculating average profit. Average profit we are getting 1,22,000, and Already in the beginning I told you that we need to put the figures of average profit and multiply it by 3. We will get the goodwill as an answer of the question. This is the answer of the question. Okay. So this that's all was the explanation of the question. Just take the screenshot of the solution. Okay. Have a nice day.